Want your tables to load faster? FlexTable is bringing you smart caching features to do just that. Let's walk you through how it works. If you're already using FlexTable, go to your table. But if you haven't started using FlexTable and using Table, which takes years to load, let's see how FlexTable works. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Head over to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type FlexTable. Once you find it, click Install and then activate the plugin. Then, go to your FlexTable dashboard. Edit any existing table. Click on the Table Customization tab. Navigate to the Utility section. Here, check the box for Cache Table for faster loading time. Click Fetch and Save. This will activate the basic caching system, significantly improving your table loading performance. If you want your tables to load even faster, you can enable an advanced option. In the same Utilities section, check the box for Prevent Frequent Cache Updates for faster table loading. By enabling this feature, you gain the power to load the tables even faster, while Live Sync is intelligently paused to support the best experience. Next, you want to set your cache duration. Go to the Settings tab. Under the Performance tab, you can find this feature. Look for the cache duration setting. You decide how often your table checks for new data, daily, weekly, or whenever you choose. FlexTable will update the table automatically based on your setting, just like Live Sync, but on your terms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more updates, tips, and tutorials.